Hello and welcome to the Eats of Mich. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this pink pasta recipe. Okay, let's get started. First, I opened this industrial sized tin of chickpeas. It was 2.5 kilos. I decided to bite the bullet and open it and hope that I'd get through them all. I tossed about 2 cups worth onto a roasting tray and sprinkled on some paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and drizzled on some olive oil and popped that in the oven. Into a saucepan, I added some more olive oil and then cooked off some red onions and some garlic until the onions became slightly translucent. I then added in some chopped white button mushrooms and let that simmer down. After about 8 minutes, I added in about a cup of frozen peas into the saucepan too and let those cook off. I then, to a saucepan of boiling hot water, added in 2 serving sizes of some spaghetti. I then added in some chopped spinach, parsley and basil into my saucepan and gave that a stir and allowed it all to combine nicely together. After the pasta was cooked, I then drained it and started to add it to the saucepan with this wicked pink beetroot pasta and gave it a stir. I then added in half of my mushroom pea onion mixture and served on a plate with the rest of the toppings and some fresh herbs. I removed the chickpeas from the oven. They were lovely and crispy and popped them on top too. And that was it. That was how I made this pink beetroot pasta dish. It was slightly unusual eating pink pasta, I must say. It kind of looked like strawberry laces. It did taste really delicious. I think I would buy it again, but probably use it as like a condiment on loaded toasts, Buddha bowls, that kind of thing instead. But yeah, give it a try.